Metaverse will be becoming the future of world, but have to think about how Metaverse will connect with each other. Introducing Byepix. Byepix connect different Metaverse environment and solve scaling, communication, and incompatibility problems, and in between Metaverse projects. Most existing Metaverse projects are disjoint and incompatible, with no unified user experience. Byepix, in addition to being a Web3-based all-in-one super Metaverse platform, as a tech lab, has developed a three-stage solution approach to connect them with each other. These are Layer 2 Metaverse Blockchain Solution, Byepix Super Metaverse Protocol, and Byepix Super Metaverse Application. If you have no idea about Byepix, you can first watch my previous video, or go to their website, link available in description, must check it out. Today's video is all about their ICO, and why their early investors feel safe and confident about their investment in Byepix. In this video, I will share two of the many unique points about Byepix that makes it a brilliant and guaranteed successful project, and the reason why every single early investor will make profit from their investment. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Byepix ICO phase has 3 different vesting periods and implemented a mechanism called Byepix Maximum Profit Program. It keeps the circulating supply minimal by locking Byepix tokens in wallets. This way, even though tokens are distributed to investors' wallets, they won't get into the circulating supply. As you all know, circulating supply plays a big role in defining the token price of a project. If the circulating supply of a token is under control, their price will skyrocket. This will be exactly the mechanism of Byepix token. The Maximum Profit Program, which is a product of Byepix Genius Minds, guarantees that unlike other projects, the circulating supply won't suddenly go from nothing to millions in a matter of seconds at their first listing. The first ever in the history of investment, Maximum Profit Program is designed to keep the price after the listing stable and to let it climb upwards. Early sold Byepix tokens will not be released all at once. Tokens will be released every day, at different times, and non-simultaneously. Byepix Web 3.0 and engineers discovered this technique to keep the circulation supply low by sending the tokens in a locked manner to investors' wallets. But even though tokens are locked for a period of time, investors can stake and unstake their tokens, but their tokens won't get into circulation. If I give an example, after the first week of the listing, there will be only 100k to 120k Byepix tokens in circulation instead of 5 million. It means that within the next 20 days after the listing, the price will definitely be up to $20 and increase upwards. This way, Byepix keeps the circulating supply under control, eliminates pump and dump, and enables prices to increase organically. So investors may benefit hugely from their early investment. ICO staking. Another way to show Byepix intelligence and caring for its investors is, until investors' Byepix token are unlocked, Byepix investors can make use of the ICO staking freely at a 90% APY rate and make even more profit by increasing the number of Byepix that they own, as the circulation supply remains so limited and prices skyrocket. It's such a smart concept and a win-win situation with the Byepix. While the Maximum Profit Program will keep the Byepix price rising, ICO staking will increase the amount of Byepix in investors' hands by adding 90% more to them. As you see, Byepix cares for their investors very well. Such a good way to take care of their investors, isn't it? I personally think that other projects should take Byepix concept as a shining example. When their Byepix token are unlocked, investors can sell them anytime they wish and make huge profits. Let's talk about their governance Byepix token. They have created an exciting ecosystem around the Byepix token, which will operate as the center of all Byepix platforms and the entire virtual reality metaverse. Every day, they come up with new possible use cases for the Byepix token. That is why they are excited about launching the Byepix token ICO. You can buy Byepix tokens with USD, BNB, BUSD, and Ethereum on their official ICO platform. Purchases could be made even for as less as $50. So in short, Byepix revolutionary mechanism locks Byepix token in the wallet. Plus it keeps circulating supply low and under control. Allows ICO staking even though tokens are locked. Plus huge profits to be made for the early investors at 90% APY. Release tokens in the order of purchase at different times and non-simultaneously. Plus eliminates pump and dumps and enables prices to increase organically. So I hope you have an idea about the Byepix Maximum Profit Program. how the circulating supply will be lower after the listing, ICO staking, and why Byepix every investor will enjoy a good profit. That's all for today. I provide you complete detail about their project. Their website and social media links are also available in the description. For more latest videos related to cryptocurrency, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.